guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. It's been a really long time. I think the last time I posted a long video was back in January, I think. If you guys saw the last video, you might know that I moved to the UK in September. So I think that's when I kind of stopped posting. Today I just wanted to do like a sit down video where I talk about some of my life updates. So I don't really have like a proper plan for this video, so we'll just see how it goes, and I might give you like a little room tour of my place here. So I think I will start with some life updates. As I mentioned, I moved to the UK. I'm doing my master's in strategic marketing with digital media management, and it's a subject that I'm very much interested in and I'm really enjoying. As you guys know, I used to do a lot of bullet journaling. This is my 2024 bullet journal. I've shared a lot of this before. I think I moved here in September. I did a whole like London theme, and then it's just empty. So I realized that there was no way I would have time to actually set up the whole bullet journal. That's why for 2025 I got this planner from Blush and Gold. So this is what they have. They have a quote, and then they have like a section for your goals and your to-do list for the month. And then you have like an everyday section where it's like every day you can just write all of your to-do lists, and then you have like a weekly to-do list, weekly goals. This has just been amazing. I've been using it a lot. As you can see, it's like full because I've got lots of things to do. You guys might have noticed that I've been doing a lot of skincare content on my shorts, so I just wanted to do a little story time about that. It was really random. I don't even know how I got into skincare because I have no idea about all of this. I think back in February, I was just scrolling through my TikTok and there was this cream, this Dr. Althea 345 cream that was just all over my For You page, and I was getting a lot of breakouts at the time. So I thought of buying it and I just ordered it, and I just uploaded a random video on TikTok starting to use this cream, and it just blew up. I think it's on 4 million views right now, but that's what got me into this whole skincare TikTok thing. Suddenly I was receiving like emails from brands for collaborations. It was just really new to me. I have done collaborations before, like with Stationery Pal and like stationery stuff and room stuff with Daraz, but I had never done collaborations with skincare brands, and it was really exciting for me. This is my third tube and I love it. One thing that I realized, however, is that I really got excited getting all the free stuff and PR, and I did not go through the ingredient list of most of the skincare products I tried, which is why my skin is horrible right now, because I use a few different products that should not have been used together. So yeah. Let's start with the most recent one that I got. This is from Delfer. I don't know how to pronounce it. The cleansing oil, the waterful toner, soft calming cream, cleansing foam, soft calming serum. So that is basically what brands send you as like a gifted PR. Most skincare brands do the same thing. And I want to mention my top three, which is Skin 104, Anua, and Medicube. And I think these are my top three brands that I'm working with. They're just brands that I've admired. I have used some of their products before, and to like get to work with them is like amazing. I'm also a Medicube ambassador, which is amazing again. So I'm not going to share with you all the things that Medicube has sent because it's like a whole box. I could do a whole video out of just that. So yeah, that's what's been going on in that side. That's how I got into the skincare side of content creation. And yeah, it's been really fun. I am an affiliate partner with YesStyle now. This is my promo code. You can use it to get some discount off your YesStyle order. I got selected for their Pamper Kit campaign, so they just sent me a gift box full of like Pamper stuff. I don't know what's in here, so let's unbox it for this video. This is what the box looks like. I already see something that I really like. And of course, I will link everything that I get in the description, just in case you guys are interested in buying them. And don't forget to use my code. This really cute clip, and it has these really pretty pink flowers. I love the color. Volumizing roller hair clip. I really want to cut my own hair, just out of topic. It's so long. These were my curtain bangs and it's like shoulder length now. So I really want to cut it myself. I really want to do that for a TikTok video. Maybe I can do it for YouTube. I don't know. But I really want to cut my hair. This is what it looks like. Maybe if I had like shorter bangs, I could like roll it. Next, look at this. It's a face mirror and comb. This is what it looks like. It has like a little comb in the mirror. Heart face wash headband. I love these. I have like a bunny one that I use on my skincare videos, and this one looks really nice. I also started doing my own nails. These are gel nails. This was done like 2 weeks ago. I got my whole like set, LED lamp and everything, and I love doing them. Off topic, but I really wanted to show it to you. This is what it looks like. It's cute, but it's also funny. Like, look at the hearts sticking out. Would I wear it? Yes, because it's cute. Essential oil applicator head scalp massager. I think how this works is that you open this and you put your essential oil for your hair over here, close it, and I think the oil comes out of these, and then you can just massage it like into your head. Beauty bar. I thought these were like sunglasses or something. This is what it looks like. Oh, this part is vibrating. So massage your skin. I'm scared to use it now, but I'll definitely try it. It's basically a facial tool. My Melody Bangs hair clip. It's just hair clips. I also got similar ones from Shein that looks like this. And this is like my favorite clip to wear. USB rechargeable nail drill user manual. So this is the main thing. These I think are the drill bits. It has all of the different shapes. This might be a new obsession for me because I just started doing my nails and I love doing them. So I'm definitely I don't know how they know that I do this by myself, but I'm excited now and it's really cool. I'm definitely trying this. So yeah, love that. I knew I was getting this and I already love it. It is the cutest. It's soft. You have your switches here and you press it and it turns off. Squeeze it and it turns back on. This is so cute, and imagine that on my bedside table at night. This might be my favorite thing from the whole box. Look at that. Meditherapy EMS device. This device provides personalized skincare solutions tailored to individual concerns. You have like the little power button, and this is like the setting button for setting the mode. And then on the other side, you have this little thing that comes off where you charge the device. I think the cap comes off, see? When you turn it on, this is what it looks like. So the yellow light means that it's in vibration mode. Okay, and then the red mode is the EM mode. It's quite small and it's really like handy, but I'm going to have to use that to actually be able to recommend it. Huge thank you to YesStyle for sending me all of this. I'm definitely going to have a really nice pamper night using all of these products. So thank you to YesStyle, and make sure you check all of these out, or just check out YesStyle for skincare products, Korean beauty products, as well as clothing. They also have clothing. And don't forget to use my code Aasthaetics1 as the rewards code to get some discount on your order. And yeah, that's it for this YesStyle haul. So to conclude this video, I've been going to uni, I've been doing my assignments, I started a skincare journey on TikTok, which is doing really well. I have been collaborating with a lot of skincare brands, and then I've been collaborating with YesStyle on different campaigns, which has been amazing and a lot of fun. And yeah, I guess those are my life updates. Life is actually really good, even if I'm not posting as much on my Instagram and YouTube. But yeah, I just wanted to come here and give this little update. And yes, I'm also going to give you like a room tour to end this video. So that is it for this video. I know it wasn't a lot and it wasn't a planned video, so I know that it's all over the place, but I still hope that you guys enjoyed this video. It was kind of nice coming back filming for a YouTube video, so let me know if you guys would like to see more videos of maybe hauls or anything you like. Leave them in the comments if you have any suggestions, and don't forget to leave a like if you enjoyed the video, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I hope I'll see you in the next one. Bye!